Ever dreamt of ditching the bulky cash register and running your business from your smartphone? Maybe you're a budding entrepreneur starting with a pop-up shop, or perhaps you're a seasoned seller tired of being chained to a counter. Whatever your reason, the question remains, can you ditch the hardware and still leverage the power of Shopify POS? The answer, my friend, is a resounding yes. In today's video, we'll dive deep into the world of hardware-free Shopify POS, exploring its features, benefits, and how it can supercharge your mobile selling experience. So, ditch the 9-to-5 and grab your phone, because we're about to show you how to turn it into a sales powerhouse. The hardware hang-up. Why ditch it? Let's face it, traditional POS systems can be a pain. They're expensive, bulky, and inflexible. Setting them up often requires a tech degree, and let's not even get started on the mountain of cables they spew out. But what if there was a better way? A way to accept payments, manage inventory, and track sales all from the sleek device in your pocket? With Shopify POS, that dream becomes reality. The power of mobility. How hardware-free Shopify POS makes you a sales ninja. Imagine this. You're at a bustling farmer's market, showcasing your artisanal jams and handcrafted jewelry. A customer approaches, mesmerized by your creations. Gone are the days of scrambling for a credit card reader or directing them to a central booth. With Shopify POS on your phone, you can accept their payment right there on the spot, closing the deal seamlessly and keeping the sales momentum alive. This mobility opens a treasure trove of possibilities. Take your business to craft fairs, music festivals, or even your neighbor's backyard barbecue. Hardware-free Shopify POS empowers you to be a sales ninja, striking wherever opportunity arises. Beyond payments, the feature arsenal at your fingertips. But Shopify POS isn't just about taking payments. It's your all-in-one mobile command center. Here's a taste of what you can do. Inventory management. Keep track of your stock levels in real time, ensuring you never miss a sale due to understocking. Add new products on the fly, update pricing, and even manage variants. Think different sizes or colors, with just a few taps. Customer management. Turn fleeting transactions into lasting relationships. Store customer information securely, enabling you to offer personalized experiences and loyalty programs later down the line. Sales analytics. Get valuable insights into your sales performance. See what's selling, identify trends, and make data-driven decisions to optimize your product offerings and marketing strategies. Setting up your hardware-free Shopify POS. Easy as pie. The beauty of this system lies in its simplicity. Here's how to get started. Download the Shopify POS app, available for both iOS and Android devices. The app is your gateway to mobile sales magic. Connect to your Shopify store. Seamlessly integrate the app with your existing Shopify store, ensuring all your product data, customer information, and sales history are readily accessible. Choose your payment processor. Shopify POS integrates with a wide range of popular payment processors, allowing you to select the one that best suits your needs and region. Is hardware-free Shopify POS right for you? While hardware-free Shopify POS offers a fantastic solution for mobile businesses, it's not a one-size-fits-all answer. Here are some factors to consider. Business model. If you have a brick-and-mortar store with high customer foot traffic, a dedicated POS system might be more efficient. Product range. For businesses with a large variety of products or those requiring physical interaction, think clothing stores. A traditional POS system with a barcode scanner might be more suitable. However, if you're a mobile entrepreneur, a pop-up shop owner, or simply someone looking for a flexible sales solution, hardware-free Shopify POS is a game-changer. It's affordable, convenient, and packed with features to help you grow your business. With that said, thanks for watching. If you're looking to ditch the hardware and take your sales mobile, be sure to smash that like button and subscribe for more awesome Shopify tips and tricks. Until next time, happy selling.